Hello everyone, my name is Loma Teddy. In this tutorial we are going to learn about Google Maps. I hope you're okay. So I'll try to be a bit slow as long as we get the message. Actually, that is my pleasure. So fellow friends, when you're Google mapping, for example, you're going to a place you don't know, you've never been before, but you have some knowledge about the place. For example, you're going to Kampala, you don't know that part of, let me say, maybe Kansanga from Bus Park. You simply don't just get stuck. We have another hope here. We have Google Maps. It will help you reach to the place you wish to go. So in this, on your PC or on your phone, you simply come to the search menu. You come here, click on it. You come to Google Maps, you click. You wait for it to open. Then for me, I'm going to maximize it so that I want it to cover the whole screen so that you get the message. Now here, you come to your Google Maps, you click on it, wait for it to open. You see, this is your Google Map. Take an example. You're going from, let me say, from Moroto to Gulu, and you don't know the number of hours you're going to spend, you don't know nothing. So what you ought to do, you simply, after opening your Google Map, you come here, you search, you say from Moroto to Gulu. Finishing that, you search it. You're in the bus, assuming you're there in the bus, and you want to know how long you're going to spend in the journey, in traveling. It is one good thing to know. It is good to know. Don't always trust drivers, so you have to know it yourself. So, knowing that, you simply come here. So now from there, this is your destination. This is where you started your journey from. You must know this line. This line is the one which is located, directing you to where you're going, following what you asked for. So, assuming this is Moroto. So, for you, this journey will take you 6 hours and 30 minutes, because you're going, obviously no one can foot from Moroto to Gulu. It is not possible. You're going to use a car, meaning when you're using a car, it will take you 6 hours 30 minutes to reach to Gulu. You see? So where you see this round white stuff, that is the starting point. This red stuff, it is your destination. I hope I'm very clear. So that is it about Google Maps. It can tell you that the time you're going to spend in your journey. It can tell you everything. So friends, please, it's a good thing to do Google Maps. Now, there, you see from here, you look at also the options are also here. So if you're going to walk on foot, to use a car, you're going to spend 6 hours 29 minutes. If you're going to use a motorbike, you're going to spend 7 hours and 19 minutes. And if you're going to use 1-2-1-2, that's footing. If at all you'll manage, it will take you 3 days. So having seen this, you will know the time you'll reach your place, you will know everything. Assuming you have now come to where you're going, let me say maybe from you've come to Gulu, you've arrived to Gulu, and you want, for example, to go to Gulu University, yet you don't know the exact time, you don't know nothing about it. So don't get stressed up, don't get stuck. Please use your phone. You come to Google, you come here, you say, let me first, okay, you say from here, you say from Gulu town to Gulu University. You get, you've already given them direction, then you search. You see? So this is Gulu University. You're starting from Kaunda grounds, which is Gulu town. So the time you're going to spend, if you're using a motorbicycle, obviously from Gulu town you can't use it. Like, okay, if you're going to use a motorbicycle, you're going to spend 8 minutes, because it's a journey of 4 kilometers, you can see, from town to Gulu University. So, and if you're going to use maybe 1, 2, if you're going to foot, you can see from here, if you're going to foot from Gulu town to the university, you're going to spend 54 minutes. If you're going to use a bicycle, you're going to spend 8 minutes. If you're going to use a car, you're going to spend still 8 minutes. That is it about Google Maps. It's not something complicated. It's just about using the technology, the current technology we have, just to simplify your life. It makes your life simple. You don't have to stress yourself being like, let me asking from people like that. So you simply use your phone to make your life simple. So friends, that's all I had about Google Maps. It's a good thing. I pray that this video leaves each and every one of us in a better position. Bye. I love you all, friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, so that you access other videos as I keep uploading them. Thank you. See you next time. We meet in my next video. Bye.